Hey guys, I'm back with another update. So what we have here is again the SparkFun Pro Micro and the RN42 Blue Smurf Bluetooth module. I have it connected to power at the wall, so that way it gets power. And pretty much what we're going to do here is demonstrate is I've created the Unity game built for Android. We have it right there. It's labeled Bluetooth communication, and we have again the flex sensor here. So what I'm going to demonstrate is I'm opening up the game. It's going to connect to the Bluetooth, and from there we'll be able to read the angle values from the flex sensor. So let's give it a go. So it says new text. So it shows it the green light connected, and then we have angle values going on, and you'll see, let me back it up a little bit, when I bend it, oops, we get angle readings.